So somebody asked me this question. He said, is it possible for your Oluwo to spoil your Ifa, or if you choose not to work or keep it with him anymore? This question is funny because I've had something like this that I talk about on TikTok, and maybe 2 or 3 years ago I have to delete the post because I see some elderly people trying to pick things and maybe you're spoiling our business or whatever. But now I say it again, that everything we do in this Ifa, in this Orisha, whatever, it is transactional. It is very funny because most people want to understand it is transactional. When I say transactional, this is what we call, that's where business comes in. If I want to get something from the market, I will have to buy it up and pay for it. When I get it, it is my property. And if I now like, okay, if I, maybe it's a clothes, I sold that clothes for that customer, it's my property. But I know I have where I got it from. The same thing as Ifa. In Ifa, Tite, Orisha, Shishe, or whatever that you do, when you have this Orisha, you are not doing it for free, because some people will do it Itefa for you for free. Only if you are his favorite apprentice or his junior brother or son or family member that they can, okay, let me just do it for you. So you went there because the Babalawo too will never get the items for free. Even if his wife is doing lekuleja, his wife will collect the money to buy stuff. And his wife can never be selling everything we need for the purposes. So back to my point. What I said everything we do is transactional. In Isese, in Itefa, the way everything we do in church is transactional. Your faith is what can keep you going. So when I say transactional, I mean you are not doing it for free. Go and dafa, you pay money. Some consultation, you pay money. Consultation, you pay money. If I share Orisha, whatever, you pay for it, because the person that want to do it too, you have to pay to get what is going to you. So it's transactional. Now, when I say transactional again, it is not for you to understand that if you buy something from a store and you like their product and services, you can like, okay, bring a lot of people, let me go there and be buying my clothes. Put that person as my personal fashion designer. That's another thing. Hope you are getting the examples. You now do Itefa from someone, I be with someone, you now be like, I'm not doing Itefa, I'm not leaving my Ifa with you, I want to take my Ifa to my house. It's also transactional, because you have already purchased your Ifa. It's your Orisha. And they say, people say Ifa mean Ajiki. Will you be greeting your Ifa from your Oluwo? If you can't keep your Ifa in your house because of your privacy or the kind of settings, your kind of family you have, or you want to keep it low, that's another thing. Also transactional, because you have to talk to your Oluwo every time for him to appraise your Ifa for you once in a while, and you have to pay. That's where I put transactional in it. Now, maybe you get something from the store. Maybe they are selling all this in zoos. They sell all those dead animals, but they won't let you take it away. You just buy it as donation for them. I don't know how they used to do it. It's your money that used to buy it, but it's also transactional, because the zoo are making money from it. The way your Ifa is also making money and bringing blessings for everybody that comes to Babalawo, the Babalawo space. Let me put it in this way. If you have like 2-3 Ifa in your house, if you want to feed one Ifa for a client that doesn't have Ifa, you feed any Ifa that is at home for that person. That person that owns the Ifa, the original capo of that Ifa, will receive blessings too, because his Ifa is one that is working for him and working for other people. So that's another example. You don't say, okay, I don't want to keep my stuff that I bought for you as in this store again. I want to come and carry the stuff I bought for you. I want to carry my team. Maybe you buy 3 gymming machines to a gym store. You're not giving it, just bought it there, like just be using it. You know, like, I want to be using my thing in my house. You come and pack it. Is it a crime? But it will only be a crime if you just come to the family law. It is as if you are fighting your Oluwo. But if you are telling your Oluwo that, Baba, I want to come and carry my Ifa soon, no. I want to carry my Ifa soon, no. If you are giving your Oluwo upfront notification, I don't think you have issue to have fight with you, because it's your Ifa. It's your Ifa. and he did his collected his money to, and you know that do the euro over any. So after the person owns this gym, I want to come and carry the thing I bought to, I want to be doing this in my own house. But don't worry, I'll give you like 3 or 4 months to be able to gather money and buy a replacement. The gym will never fight me. Gym will never fight me because you know I own it, and there's nothing like I dash you. Now, if I now come there just without notification, come and pack it, that's where the wahala will come. Then looking in lower, it's as if you are fighting. So try and understand all this little point of mine. The Oluwo have the right to give you your Ifa every time, anytime you're done with your Ifa. And if you ever still with your Oluwo has nothing to tell you, has no reason to tell you not to carry your Ifa. I want to carry my Ifa, I'm going to my. It's your Ifa now. What your Ifa Oluwo grow down, oversee also. And it's not only know your Ifa, you have the same color of AWO. Obviously, the children will not allow you to carry your Ifa now. If the child doesn't know your Ifa. So this is your property. So that's why you do Ifa, carry your Ifa to your house. And if you are not going to carry it, always put your Oluwo in a good rapport so that you won't be having issues. It's a normal thing for Oluwo and OMO AWO to always fight. Oluwo and OMO AWO, 95% of Oluwos can testify to this. They used to have issues with one of the OMO AWO because one or two ways. We are not of the same father, the same mother. So we are meant to have issues. So carrying your Ifa from your Oluwo place is never an issue. It's supposed to be a normal thing. You can carry your Ifa from your Oluwo even if you say you're not working with. I don't want to work with you again. I want to be just come and be able to feed my Ifa. I don't want to do juju for your side again. It's my Ifa to carry my Ifa. It's different from Baba. Can I carry my Ifa? I want my Ifa around me. And I'll be sending you money to come and be feeding. Even if you know the intention is different, like you won't even carry him, you won't even call him again. But at least the prior notice and respective manner of approach will do a lot. She understand. So that's another thing. Your Oluwo has nothing to do or get angry person to carry your Ifa. One thing. Now the answer to the other question is, here my Oluwo can get angry abi? Can you spoil my Ifa? Your Oluwo can never spoil your Ifa. Ifa 30. You can say, will my Oluwo have a spiritual negativity with me? A spiritual fight with me if I carry my Ifa. That's another place. But to spoil your Ifa can nobody can spoil Ifa. But what that can happen is it can be giving you negative boost that won't allow your ways to be pure, and you won't even remember to do Ifa consultation. So that's what it can do. And such Oluwo should be a stupid person if you approach him nicely without talking to him as if you are fighting him, or you don't because you have misunderstanding. Now go find for me. That's another thing. So do you understand? Now if you want to do something like that, you need to understand that your Oluwo has nothing on you, but your Oluwo has many things on you. When it comes to like you yourself, if you are a pro in a PS in PlayStation games. Now for those Oluwos that find fault or issues with people coming to come and pick their Ifa, let me give you instances. Eligilawo Agbasane and Babalawo may believe pé ora moto ora le fan Babalawo yoku ton ri ton ṣe dáadáa. Ó ti ṣoṣo. Ó ti ṣe àwọn aṣọ́lẹ̀ ńlá ńlá. Nǹkan táwọn people yẹn lò kò easy. Torí pé òun believe pé bí iṣẹ́ wọ́n jọ ń ṣe náà ni. Ṣebí iṣẹ́ fata jọ ń ṣe náà ni. So ìgbàgbọ́ tí wọ́n ní pé ẹnìyẹn kàn ẹnìyẹn ó lo kíní fún wọn ni. Now transactional last lataro so DB, if we are to look at it in this way, èmi àti ẹjọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ Ifá gbogbo owó ẹ pé lọ́wọ́ mi máa fẹ́ gbé nǹkan mi wá di wàhálà. Babaláwo tó bá ti ń pè ẹ lọ Ifá ẹni pé kò mẹ́kù wá kò mẹ́ja wá láti pé ẹ ṣọ̀sẹ̀ àbò dáfá lọ́wọ́ ẹ. You understand? Ó nọ́mà tí wà tí bàbá bá ní rapport tó wà òkè lókè Ifá kan dẹ̀ wà lẹ́ àkọ́ṣe fáì kan wà lẹ́ tó bá ti lágbára kó wá ṣe ìyẹn ọ̀tọ̀. Wọ́n kó dáfá lọ́wọ́ babaláwo tó bá ní tó wá pè ẹ lọ ẹbọ yín yẹn tí ru o ṣé ìrántí ẹbọ yín ẹrú ẹbọ o torí wá di wàhálà sí mi báyìí sákìrì o ó ti fẹ́ máa náwó kankan mi ibi tó bá ti ń kí fáfáfá lọ pé fáni kò rú o tó bá dẹ̀rù náà máa ti jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé so Oluwo believes if tó bá ti tẹ̀fá dábàá ìjọba ká Ifá ní kò lọ tẹ̀fá gbogbo akọ Ifá ní kò lọ tẹ̀fá most time but torí àtijọ́ àti ìwọ̀n kálukú that's why you see some babalawos I have a friend that is he has a mall, water factory, bakery, block industries, and only more like only. Yeah, even we have an hotel that you so you open area, we then live life. He's living fine. People think OMO AWO to nini, àwọn òyìnbó ló ń tẹ̀ in fact no. Because in Oluwo, anything I have friends that I personally I know what I do myself behind for the source of living. Because I tell people that I think my dad for voice I consider me journey. And how much I'm paying my school, how much I'm paying for my kids' school. You understand? So think about very say live beyond income 2419. So that's why you love I also don't know what Stefani. My Oluwo has an hotel. He has another business he's doing. So likewise I'm Baba only be factory, only pharmaceutical about whatever. Bàbá tó bá ti níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Oluwo tó bá ti níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn ló ń pé kíní tó máa yí àwọn nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ máa pè é pé Ifá ẹ̀ because ó ti mọ̀ pé Ifá ẹ̀ yẹn some Oluwos are using your Ifá to be the source of income like ẹ̀yà ọ̀rẹ́ àbọ̀fà ọ̀ send away wíwúlẹ̀ kíní kan wọ́n á ṣe ọ̀nìyà fọ́tò sí ẹ̀wọ̀n nífi yẹn pé aláwọ̀ tó bẹ̀ ṣe ọ̀ṣẹ́ tí ẹ kó gbé fún ẹ ní 1 million wọ́n ní 200 àbí 100k wọ́n ní 1 million ní ṣe understand Ifá ni pé ṣe so bí máa jẹ lèèyàn ti tí máa ṣe lèèyàn ti ń jẹ. But to some extent, tó bá ti ní àwọn kan bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ti ń di tó wá lọ fẹ́ gbé Ifá yẹn lọ́dọ̀ ẹni how will the person feel tó mọ̀ pé olówó lọ́wọ́ ask myself ìgbà tó fẹ́ gbé Ifá yẹn lọ́dọ̀ Oluwo ẹ̀ ṣé olówó lọ́wọ́ ni àbí sàpá wà nílẹ̀ sàpá bá wà nílẹ̀ lówó ẹ̀ ò ní bẹ́ẹ̀ fà wá gbé nǹkan lọ you understand because it is what transactional. So when you tẹ̀fá in conclusion you have to have source of income tó bá ti lówó tọkàn ẹ̀ bá ti balẹ̀ àmọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ kan ní olówó ló ń ṣògùn lọ́wọ́ lè bẹ̀ sí because tó bá dáa fún ẹ lọ́la tó àwọn ẹbọ fáwọn náà Ifá mo dúpẹ́ Olúwa lábẹ́ náwó sí so Oluwo ló máa gba glory ìlàjì effort yẹn ó lè sọ̀dọ̀ babaláwo mi ló ti lọ bá ṣiṣẹ́ o ṣùgbọ́n Oluwo tó tẹ̀fá fún ẹ náà ni so it's not good for you to have issues with Oluwo even if you have issues etc and you hold you the two of them are very important but sometimes set your boundaries with anybody if you want ọṣẹ ẹlòmíràn ìbáyìí ni mo ní o kàn jíṣẹ́ o if you want to do àkóṣe Ifá ṣe understand let's some boundaries but Ifá mi ni mo tẹ ń gbé lọ lẹ́nu ṣe tí máa kú ṣe ilé ẹ̀ máa gbá mi fáwọn ọmọ mi àbẹ́rẹ́ gbé fún bàdà ìfẹ́ mọ̀ ó ti ra àwọn èèyàn pé mo ní Ifá so it is not supposed to be issues to have a good Ifá they are not supposed to be an issue if you want to carry your Ifá another thing is so kí n fi ilé round it up tó bá ti tẹ Ifá ìwọ ló ní Ifá ìgbé Ifá yẹn lọ fọlọ́ ẹni ẹ̀ńtà mi lè wá gbé Ifá mi tó àṣìṣe bá ti bò then tó bá ti kó lóore lọ́wọ́ akẹ́kẹ́ wá bọ́ fáṣe kìíní kan then ìwọ fúnra ẹni láti kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ mọ bó ṣe ń ṣe yes or no bó ṣe ń wo nǹkan tí Ifá sọ try kókò ní idea nǹkan tó ń ṣe ó máa save them from a lot of stress borrows.